Joining the Constant Contact affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting their email marketing services. Here's how to get started. Visit Constant Contact's website. Go to Constant Contact's website. Find the affiliate program. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for links such as affiliates or partner programs. This will direct you to their affiliate program information. Apply to the program. Click on the affiliate program link. You'll be redirected to an application page or an affiliate network partner where Constant Contact manages their affiliate program. Complete the application. Fill out the application form with details about yourself or your business. Provide information like your website, marketing methods, and how you plan to promote Constant Contact. Wait for approval. Submit your application and wait for approval. This process can take a few days. You will receive an email once your application is approved. Access affiliate resources. Upon approval, you will gain access to promotional materials, affiliate links, and tracking tools. Use these resources to start promoting Constant Contact. Promote and earn. Integrate affiliate links into your website, blog, or social media. Earn commissions based on the sales or leads generated through your affiliate links.